Sanibonani ke bonke Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wona uzanani nendlebe namhlanje ke sizokhuluma ngestory sikamngani wethu ongenela wangena ngamawaza ungenela ukuthi uzonika iwarning nini ningafuni ukuzwa. Okay, uthi umngani wethu met this guy and they were okay, uguy engenayo imali right nje umuntu wakhona engena umuntu onemali eningi, but the guy was financially stable, but wayengekho nje uthi umuntu rich. Uthi so they dated nalo guy, they dated until waze wahlukana no guy. Uguy ke bese uguy wakhe aziwa nje ukuthi enene umuntu wakubo. Wahlukana nalo guy they parted ways. Kuhamba isikhathi ugeli uyadata in the scenes ajole nabanye uthe suka lapho kuthi nje 5 years later uhlangana no guy etown lo kade ejola naye eqaleni. Uhlangana no guy etown, uguy abesethi ammemeze ngegama, hawu sibanibani uthi abese yaqalaza uthi hayibo ile ndoda ethe ngijola nayo le ihamba ngenqomolo yemoto. Uthi uguy was driving a Porsche and uthi me, I was shocked ukuthi like, and then uguy uyithatha Porsche, you know what I mean. Uthi ngimcheck uguy uthi bese ngimcheck uthi okay bese ngiyaya ke again because uthi I was just walking edrobheni. Uthi bese ngiyaya again uthi makafika again uyafika uguy bese yo kade ngikukhumbula ngagcina ngiyazama I've tried to call your number and wena engathi usuwangiblock efonini yakho, so we need to talk and just talk to girl because uguy bahlukana in not good terms. Uguy wechithile mabahlukana, then they parted ways nje. It wasn't like a good relationship ukuhlukana kwabo, kwase kukubi kakhulu. Uthi so abesethi okay amlalele abese yamtshela ukuthi okay fine ngizok unblock her, you can send me a message ma usanayo inamba yami. Athi uguy angisenayo inamba yakho, I've changed my number, ngicela ungiphi inamba. Uthi nje abe umuntu persistent nje umcelayo inamba yakhe. Uthi nangampela abese yamnika ugeli inamba, amnike amnika uguy. Nangampela uguy ayithatha inamba. Uthi hawu kube mnandi yonke into. Uguy later athumela imessage athi I'm just checking if this is your number. Athi ugeli yes iyona inamba yami ke le, I'm just checking if it's you. Athi iyona inamba yami le kusay mina sibanibani. Then uguy kuyiqiquse ya video call while they were still texting, say video call uguy uthi no bengifuna ukwenza sure because possibly mhlawumbe inyamba usuwayishintsha and unginike number plate, I just want to make sure it's you. Uthi they video call uthi they started talking about izinto azazenzeka ngesikhathi besaxakekile. They giggle and they were laughing and they were talking about past, how they used to walk mabahamba baye edrobheni, they used to walk indaweni bayothatha ama-taxi. By the time befike ema-taxini bamthuqasi. Uthi look at me now, like umfana nje, it was more about him actually. Uthi yonke lento yayingaye more than yayingogele. Uthi ufuna nje ukuthi abese yambuza ugeli ukuthi and then wenzani. Athi I know uguy, I'm a businessman, I own businesses and imali ngiyenza kanjalo. Athi buyela kumina sibuyelane ngoba manje sengiright, I'm financially stable, ngizokuphatha kahle. Uthi ugeli kufike nje ukuthi no angabuyelani nalo guy abesezitshela ukuthi okay fine, she's gonna talk to her family members. Ambatshele ukuthi hayi ngihlangane nosibambane edrobheni kanjena, usehamba ngemoto, useyinto nje yonke into nje ongayicabanga nje, unemali. Amkhuza uma wakhe because uguy weyaziwa ekhaya before besajola besabancane. Uthi weyaziwa ekhaya ukuthi umfana nje wengafunwa umndeni wakulomuzi lo kubo kantombazane. Uthi enene uma wakhe amkhuza athi ubuyela futhi kulo mfana. Athi ma mina ngicabanga ukuthi useshintshile. Athi lo mfana akashintshanga, awusakhumbuli ukuthi indlela kuhlukumeza ngayo and how long it took for you to recover from that. Uthi athi ugeli no useshintshile mana, ngicabanga ukuthi usewumuntu right, we can just give him a chance. Uthi uma besethi hayi mntanami inhliziyo yakhe iyona ekulawulayo, sizozwa ngawe but ungabuyi usukhala la ekhaya. Uthi nangampela angamlaleli uma wakhe because secabanga le ndoda into esiduma la ekhanda lakhe, sekuduma lo mfana ke manje ekhanda lakhe. Uthi khanda nje ungathi manje nje umfana kukhona into amenze yona ngoba into ayicabanga nje uyena lo mfana kuphela. Uthi ke sihamba isikhathi baloku befonelana ke nomfana, amfonela umfana azamtshela umfana ukuthi okay I would like to take you out on a date again so that we can talk and whatnot. Nangampela bahambe baye kwi-date plan kumfana ukuthi okay Friday when I'm done ngama businesses wami ngizokulanda kini bese siyahamba siye out and just go out. Nangampela uGuy abhukhe into a hotel, abhukhe ukudla like i-buffet. Abhukhe i-buffet, aqede lapho uGuy without letting the girl know ubhukhe ne-room ehotel. Okay. Uthi uGeli ke ubhukhe room but mina angazi ukuthi uGuy ubhukhe room. Mina ungitshele nje ukuthi we're going to dine, eat and then bese ngiyagoduka ngekhaya because we're still trying to talk to figure things out. Nangampela uGuy mangifika lapha yana kwi-buffet we eat and angiphethanga ngisho isikhwama lesi unge ngibuye ekhaya. Uthi ngizihambela nje nesikhwama esincane ne-cellphone yami ne-lip gloss and just into zami nje ezincane ezihlala esikhwameni. Uthi there's nothing and my hand lotion. Uthi there's nothing ekhombisa ukuthi ngeke ngibuye ekhaya because the plan yami was to eat and talk to him and then come back home. Kuyiqiqi uGuy mase bedlile now they started drinking wine and nje. uGuy abesethi no, you know, because kade ngikukhumbulile and you know I haven't seen you in a long time. Ngicabanga ukuthi enene kuzomele silale silale. Uthi uGeli ngithi mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngilale because ekhaya ngishongo ukuthi enene ngiyahamba and normally mina if I have indlela engizoyihamba ngiyamtshela uma. Uthi abese yamtshela futhi ukuthi also I still have a boyfriend, like I still have umuntu engithanda naye, so angeke ngikwazi. I came here just to dine and listen to you so that uzokwazi ungitshela ukuthi why wakwenza lezi zinto ezenzayo and we can see if we can forgive each other and move on. Uthi uGuy was so persistent. Uthi waba persistent bongiwe to a point where now I lost myself ngavuma because wow, phela uGuy akamubi. uGuy now he has money and I'm thinking vele kwakumuntu wamakudala lo and I'm thinking oh nkosi yami if ngabuyelana naye le mali lena mina engasebenza kanzima ukuthanda lo muntu ehlupheka isidliwa amanye abantu. Uthi uyazi nje I thought of so many things nje ngabona ukuthi ngiyabuyela kuyena. Uthi ngavuma ngathi it's fine because it's not like angaze ngilale naye before. I've slept with him before, so ngavuma ngathi hey singaye hotela siyolala. Uthi wafika lapha sifike phezulu. Uthi akasho ukuthi siyolala ukuthi siyokwenza ucansi, kwakukuthi nje sizolala sobabili. Yafika lapha phezulu uGuy uthi uyafika mbudukeza uGeli uthi alokho engibamba fiddling with me. Uthi I'm like dude, like just rest. Uthi no ngiyakhumbula and what not. Uthi ngaze ngagcina sengilalile naye. Uthi yes ngavuma and yes azange nukubeze ukuthi angihlukumeze imina who agreed. Uthi but kuyo yonke lonto uGuy before silalane uGuy usengibhudukezile ke nami sengiyeza ukuthi hayi no imizwa yami sivukile. Mngani wethu uyeza ukuthi imizwa yakhe nayo siyashisa. Uthi useyayilungisa ukuthi naye manje hey usakhumula uGuy semkhumulile vele nawe uyakhumula manje na iblue kade ligqokile just so that uGuy can go in. uGuy avele ngalesikhathi kufuneka ngene phakathi uGuy ahamba etoilet bathroom. How Guy uthi uGeli ngisale ngibakaza and then uGuy uyahamba ebathroom uyafika lapha ebathroom angimazi uhambe nje ephethe into engathi i-toiletry bag yakhe as if he's just going toilet for something. Uthi and I'm like but why do you have to go to the bathroom right now, you know? Ahamba uGuy etoilet kuqiqi uyabuya uGuy. Makabuya etoilet uGuy useyabuya, he's still ready. Usobaba umile angene kuGeli. Uthangene kuGeli angene uthi benze left right and center uthi kushube. Uthi uGuy ke vele he was really good ngala ngasempedeni. He was really good uthi balale naye umfana lale naye umfana lale naye umfana lale naye umfana. Uqede emva kwalokho uma baqeda ukulalana uthi naye she enjoyed herself. Avuke ngalesikhathi seqedile umfana avuke yena uyahamba uya etoilet useyoziclean. Uyosula nje because akafuna ukuthi ahlale nalezo zinto lezo kuyena all the time. She used to do that before. Uthi makafika etoilet uyafika kunebhodlela elincane elingaka elinamafutha nezinto ezimnyama. uGuy lelo bhodlela likhamisile livuliwe. Kusho ukuthi uGuy ngesikhathi kade ehamba eya etoilet ube yosebenzisa leli bhodlela leli. Uthi uGeli ngilibuke leli bhodlela but ngishawa uvalo ngizwe ukuthi more man there's something off la. Uthi bese ngiyachama etoilet ngiziclean ngisule nje ngisule because phela I'm still going back to the guy. Uthi uGuy kuqiqiye emva kwalokho useyangitshela ukuthi no akasakwazi ukuthi ahlale ehotela usefuna ukupheka kufuneka bahambe. uGuy ke abesethi kuqiqi amjikele isizwe njengotshwala umngane wethu amtshela ukuthi enene hayi manje na ngithola uWhatsApp lana ngithola imessage ku-phone yami ethi enene in one of my businesses kukhona into eyenzekayo kukhona abantu abaqhakezile kwashamalanga nanga kwacima and now ngikakwazi ukulala le hotela kumele aphuthume ahamba ayo-check ama-business akhe uGuy dla avule isikhwameni lesayesiphethe uthi ugelwe phethe isikhwameni singathi si-briefcase but not a briefcase but it's isikhwama nje lesisicela ukuphatha odokotela uthi ugeli avule sona leso sikhwama asuke lapho abese kukhipha u10,000 anika ugeli cash uthi ugeli abe confused ukuthi like what the hell like why unginika imali eyani yona le mali leni unginika yona athi uGuy no nje because phela I ngikuthathile with sizodla idina then kweqiqi and then sengiyakushiya manje na I feel like this is just imali ukuthi ngixolise kwena ukuthi and then angikwazanga ukuthi ngispende a night with you athi girl okay but umshana side eye good like side eye uthi not angicabangi into eziningi ngicabanga nje okuningi ngami uthi ugeli abesethu uGuy so uzokwenza njani are you going to sleep ubusuku bonke noma ngikugoduse ngekhaya athi ugeli angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthi mina ngihlale la endlini ngilale ngedwa you know I'm not going to be able to do that so I think ngizokwenza njani ngizohamba ngihambisa ungise ekhaya ufike ungishiye ekhaya ngincamela ukuthi ngilale ekhaya ngokuthi ngilale ehotela ngedwa abese yamthatha uGuy amdrive ayomshiya ekhaya bangafika ekhaya hlala ugeli ukuthi like ngilale nakubo kushokhekiwe manje ukuthi and then wena wabuye didn't you say you were going out kusho dade wabo abese ethi and then no Guy uthe kune problem yenzekile kuma business wakhe so uGuy ucancelile like what and then angilale hotela or ngibuye so I decided to come back so wakathi that's suspicious but it's fine uthi siqhubekeke ngakusasa luphela usuku uGuy akafoni oludlululunye akafoni ludlula insuku akafoni iphela isonto uGuy akafoni kuphela ezimbili akafoni kuyabe emva kwalokho ngungena uWhatsApp with a screenshot sebank account yakhe kungena uWhatsApp umbuzo athi and then uyawubheka uWhatsApp ukuthi sawubona mama unjani bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi and then kusayiyona neaccount yakho le because phela bake bajola before so guys still have details zakageli kodwa utheni eqaleni uthi akanayo ifoni kageli kuba washintsha ifoni kuyiqiqi uGuy unama details again banking details but ke uthi ugeli nginganandaba ngithi mina niyona account lami le uthi ngithe ngisuka nje wathi bheka ukuthi khona into engiyiphose lapho uthi makathi uyabheka umfana ufake 50,000 kwi-account yakhe abese yamtshela ukuthi ngiyaxolisa mama angeke ngisakwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke nawe by the way nginonkosikazi ngishadile it's just that bengikhumbula but I'm not going to be able to cheat because I have a wife ugeli uthi ngalesikhathi ethu samphendula ukuthi but why did you want us to meet and act as if enene uyangikhumbula and all of that uthi uGuy no phela la kwama khona amanzi aphinda ame I just kuvuka oludala mangikubona and I thought let's rekindle but nginonkosikazi block uthi ugeli athi mhlola yini kaJames ngibona yini nangu umuntu engibhedela bo uthi azama ukumfonela luthi inamba iblockiwe then ani usisi wakhe inamba usisi wakhe makafoni inamba yangena okay angakhuluma usisi wakhe and uGuy angalibambi nalucingo and amtshela ukuthi okay ngiyamyeka kuphele kanjalo azitshele nje ukuthi okay kusho lo bezongenza slim kuphele kanjalo uthi akuphelanga ngishinyanga after that incident nalo Guy she started having like uthanda ucansi uthi bese thanda ucansi kakhulu like elithanda lokho ukuthi like it's not normal for yena ukuthi athanda ucansi ngale yandlela kade ithanda ngawo ucansi uthi okay ugeli ngithanda ucansi uthi nolo Guy lo manje lo kade ngithandana naye ke manje because phela nginitshelile ukuthi benginomuntu wami while ngikade ngisehotela nalomuntu uthi lo ngithandana naye kuGuy sengilala naye manje ngisamuzwa ngimali ngimtshela ukuthi it's not working out between mina nawe ingathi undiki uyabanda uthi asuke emva kwalokho uthi ugeli now bangangishela umfana ngiyamqoma nje ngihlale ngifuna ukulala nomuntu nje njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi nje uthi now ezesikhathi sihamba ngaqala ngaba addicted kuma porn sengithanda ukubuka ama videos ocansi sengithanda ukuthi ngihlale kuma porn site ngibuka ama videos ocansi uthi yasuka emva kwalokho now umfana ongishelayo nje ongibonayo nje sengivele ngifuna ukulala naye ngisho ngakuthiwa enene uthi no strings attached or whatever the case may be but nje mina I just want to have sex with that guy like anginandaba uthi until kubo baze ba notice ukuthi man lo ngoba phela sekuyakhulunywa manje kwi neighborhood ukuthi ugeli wethu ngathi akanasimilo usezibizwa ngale yantombazane leya AC kusha abantu bendawo seyisi sendawo uthi and then you know uma wakhe ahlale phansi naye akhulume naye like inyanga sezidlulile akhulume naye ukuthi mntanami like what's going on like usuza ukhulunywa kabi endaweni like what is happening, can you just let us know because kuthiwa la endaweni you are such a giver wena nje umaphaka uphakela wonke umuntu osiliso khona la emhlabeni. Ugeli uthi athi ma it just is very uncomfortable to talk to you nge subject enjani like and it is not true uthi ayiphike nje kwaphela uma wakhe like naye akafuni ukuthi uma wakhe ambone njengomuntu ongathi enene umuntu ongezwe kasho mana na uthi nje this is not true ma and ngicina kanjalo. Uthi umngani wethu abese kodwa that day ntambama bese khuluma nosisi wakhe amtshela ukuthi yazi uma ungiconfrontile kanje abuza usisi wakhe do you think when I have a problem ngempela usisi wakhe athi ya athi first boyfriend yakho le kade kuthanda ngokweqiniso uyalile you've slept with abobani nobani nje la and I know that because we talk and then all of a sudden now you met this guy umethe uguy apparently uyamthanda uguy wanted to do things right uguy wasesontweni la kusonta khona uma wakhe and then uguy kusho ukuthi amtshela ukuthi okay ngizokwenza izinto kini ngizolobola kini ngizokwenza izinto we just have to wait but we will still be girlfriends and boyfriend in terms of intercourse we have to wait ngokwesonto. Uthi usisi wami after that uguy am invite kuboke ukuthi bazovakasha azohlala naye nje ukuthi they were just bajole nje but God not ukuthi balale. Uthi ugela kalwanga yini elwisa indoda ukuthi ayifuna ukumlala ebusuku uthi ngalwa naye bongo ngalwa nomfana ngilwela ukuthi umfana akafuna ukulala nami ngamubhuquzisa umfana uthi ngizamile ngako konke okusemandleni njengomuntu osifazana uthi hayi ngisondele ngezinqa uthi ngizama ukuzinyakazisa ngisondele uthi cha lutho umfana unyakaza amtshela ukuthi no we're not going to do it because we need to wait up until this shut uthi ayikho into engayizama ukuthi lapho ngeze ngambamba umfana ngathi yabona ke if ungafuni la nami mina ngiyagoduka ngiyahamba nangampela ugeli vuke in the middle of the night gwiqiqi ahambe agoduke aphindele kubo because umfana akafuni la naye uthi before afike kubo ugele adlule kuphi ethaveni ahamba ala nomfana ambone lapho baphuza nawo utshwala ngakubo uthi like I was so addicted to this thing ukuthi like mangiya eclubini or ngiya kuphi bengabuye ekhaya ngazange ngizengilala nomuntu esilisa etoilet uthi that's how addicted I was to this thing uthi like kwayimina and if iyafika lento if ukhona into engayisebenzisa yona ukuzilala I would use it doesn't matter what it was as long as izokwazi ukungena lapha ya ngaphansi bengisebenzisa uthi ya yenza lento and uguy ke uthi uguy ngahlukana ke noguy futhi umunye lo ubeka ngithanda ngokweqiniso uma now is inviting me to church she's asking me ukuthi ngihambe ngesontweni nosisi wami mina ngiyanqaba ngesontweni into engifuna ukuyenza mabenini baphume besosontweni mina ngihlala kulokhuza nefonini yami ngibuka iphone uthi ngibhizi ngiyayibamba ngiyayivuthulula ngenza zonke lezo zinto lezo yo uyeza ku part 3 umngani wethu yang stress but ke siqhubekeke istory sethu mamgobhozo nodumo longeza nendaba wona ozana nini endlebe umngani wethu ke uthi bongiwe ayikho into engangeke ngisebenzisa ukuyilala to such a point whereby I was constantly nje ngifuna ukulala nomfana ngifuna umfana la engakhona ngifuna ukulala uthi uthi ngangalala nanoma yini nanoma ubani ngisho ngathi ungcoli kanjani uthi it didn't matter until one day umngani wethu waqala wagula bagula umngani wethu uyagula umngani wethu uya testa ahamba esibedlela atheste alala isibhedlela makatheste emasibhedlela kurana ama-test kuyatholakala ukuthi umngani wethu unani unengculaza. Makutholakala ukuthi umngani wethu unengculaza uthi baleleke wodini as women bayagula nje bonke baphethwe izifo ezingafani but they are all sick. But uthi la eduze kwakhe kwakhona usisi owaye egula but engaguli ukuthi ugula kakhulu but she was also sick naye because we admitted of course esibhedlela. Uthi lo sisi lona athi hey are you okay? Uthi ambuza ukuthi like ambuka ukuthi like lo muntu akangazi wayengibuza ukuthi am I okay na? Abese yamtshela ukuthi yazi kunento ekufuna ngikutshele yona la lokhu ifika nje ubuhleli lana nje ngathi kunento edlalayo la kumina that I need to tell you. Uthi usisi mangithi ngiyambheka esandleni ngiyambona ukuthi hayi ugele unobuhlalo kusho ukuthi ugele uyahlola umakhosi. Uthi and then ugele angitshela ukuthi and then makabona mina ubona ithunzi. Uthi makabona mina ubona kunomuntu alala naye lo muntu makalala naye lo muntu uthwele engathi manje wasebenzisa yena ukuthwala ngaye ukuthi ahambe elala nabo bonke abafana ngalesikhathi yena elala nabafana le ndoda iba successful iba rich. That is why now she has sexual addiction. Uthi ngimbuke lo sisi ngithi mina no man khona umuntu omtsheli there's no way because lo sisi lo usho first and foremost angazi ngomuntu othwele but usho about sexual addiction yami the way enginayo ngakhona because bese kumuntu ophuza but bengesona isidako but nje bengiphuzela ukuthi nje ngibe tips so that ngizothola noma ubani eshipini ngilale naye or maphapho or kuphi la ema-clubs la ihamba khona. Uthi also I was not motivated at school bengasa like because usisi uthi and then ubekafundela umsebenzi. Uthi I was not motivated at school and bengumuntu mina who's very career driven. Uthi I was not motivated at school. I was not motivated to ukuthi ngifuna umsebenzi. I was not motivated to do anything. The only thing that I wanted was just ukulala qha. Nabantu besilisa. Uthi to a point where I wasn't even motivated to get married. Like uthi umshado was not my calling. Like ngafeeling ngathi nje mina nje I'm just a girl who's open-minded who just want to enjoy herself. Uthi umama lo semaka ngitshela ke lo sisi lona because uthi kuyena umama kodwa umuntu usekhulile. Umama ngitshela ukuthi khona mntanami ngibone ngathi khona umuntu owalala naye and lo muntu owalala naye ngathi wasebenzisa izinto zakho walala nawe egcobe izinto ezithile kuwena and now wena leyo nto leyo ikwenza ukuthi uhambe ulala nabanye abantu lo muntu lo walala nomuntu othwele. Uthi ngisibuza ukuthi lo mama lona ngiyacabanga manje uthi imuphi lo muntu othwele cause manje aklikhe sengilayini nabantu abaningi uthi manje futhi akufiki ukuthi yilo amfana lo waya engaye ngathanana naye. Athi lo mama lo mawusuphuma esibhedlela mntanami uhambe uyogeza ugezwe. Uthi emphasize lo mama lo athi uhambe mntanami uyogezwa. Ngiyangizwa uthi ngithini. Athi okay ma ayike akutholakala ukuthi umngani wethu unengculaza adla amaphilisi bamnakekele esibhedlela until umngani wethu alulame but usakhona lo mama la esibhedlela naye uyalulama ngendlela yakhe. Uthi aphinde futhi lo mama lo kudlule mhlawumbe isonto aphinde amtshele futhi athi enene mntanami ngiphinde futhi ngaboniswa uyakhuluma ke manje like not details but ukhuluma as if usamwonisha futhi ukuthi kumele ulungise khona lento eyenziwa kuwena umuntu owagcobisa umuthi ngesikhathelala nawe ezama ukuthatha inhlanhla zakho ukuze wena ukwazi ukuhamba ulala nabafana mawulala nabafana nini uyaqhubeka abe rich. Ugela uthi ngizama ukufigure out I'm trying to figure out and I'm like kuze kufike kanti ukuthi man umuntu engalala naye baningi abantu engilala nabo but umuntu engalala naye ehotela wangiziba lo mfana lo kumfikela ukuthi lo mfana lo kumfikela into eyenza ukuthi kumfikele futhi kumfikela nanokuthi enene umfana wamnika imali ushilo kumama into eyenza ukuthi ahlanganise yonke lento uthi enene lo muntu lo wakunika imali uthi enene ngifikele ukuthi hayi lo mfana uthi usiswami masefika afika usiswami esibhedlela ngabo 3 isikhathi sokuzobona kusigulu usiswami afika azombheka makafika usiswami ezombheka bese ngiyamtshela ngimtshela ukuthi asikwenzeka kanje mntaka mother day I didn't tell you much but kwenzeka kanje lo mama lo ola eduzo kwami ngitshela ukuthi kunokuthi kanje kamchazela ukuthi uthini uthi ugela aphuma esibhedlela baphuma usisi wakhe ke usisi wakhe nje bezombheka nje uthi aqhubeka ahlale esibhedlela kuze kushaya isikhathi la aphuma khona so usisi wakhe abe umuntu omphushayo ukuthi yeah you need to do something about it aphume usisi wakhe ahambe esibhedlela naye ugeli sishaya isikhathi ukuthi discharge esibhedlela where she was taking ARVs now aphume uthi bese yamtshela usisi wakhe ukuthi you need to go uyobona umuntu kanjani abesethi yena angeke azakwazi ukuthi ahamba ayobona umuntu akayifonje umuntu abese usisi ahamba ayotshela uma wakhe athi wema usibani bani kuthiwa walala nomuntu othwele kanje kusho omunye umama osesibhedlela uthi umama abese yamncenga umntwana lokuthi abahambe naye baye kuphi esontweni uma wakhe kusinjebele ukuthi kade lokho emncenga ethi abaye esontweni umama usonto eZayoni usonto ko yeah sonto lapho ke uthi amthathe umngane wethu ahambe naye ayeZayoni esontweni lama wakhe of course ngeke anake ke makiyo esontweni lama khotha uthena akafuna ukuhamba bathandaze akafuni nangempela kufike laphayana ngalesikhathi sekuthandazwa uthi bambeke kwi-circle amaZayoni bambeke phakathi nendawo uthi mabambeka phakathi nendawo ayibaqala bamtshela uthi bamtshela bamthandazela uthi babeka amanzi la bawakhulekela lawo manzi bamthela ngawo uthi wonke uthi kwangathi uya abuse lapha no Zayoni ngezeshaya uthi zamubhonya Zayoni but izimbonya ukumkhulekela mawala zamkhulekela iZayoni ngaleso sikhathi kuqhuma esinye isikhulume simhlolele siqhuma esinye sihlole siqhuma esinye sikhulume uthi nje kwakuyi all night prayer kahle on a Saturday uthi ugeli bangikhulekela bongiwe banginika lawo manzi lawa kade bekhuleka bengithandazela hlele eduze kwawo bathi angihambe nalamanzi ngifike ngiwaphuze ngikhuleke ngiwaphuze njalo every time ngiwaphuze uthi from time to time ngibe ngikhohle ukuthi ngiphuze lamanzi but my mom was very persistent why ngiphusha ukuthi ngiphuze ngibuza waphuzile amanzi abusisi waphuzile amanzi athandazeliwe what not uthi still even though ngwaphuza was still addicted ocansini uthi until ngaze ngahlangana nomunye ubaba owayesonto kaShembe because naye weseyazi ukuthi une problem until ozohlangana nomunye ubaba usonto kaShembe ubaba wathi enene umntanami kukhona uShembe uthi nje wayeshumayelela lo baba lo wayeshumayele engashumayeli engakhulumi naye ekhuluma nje nawo wonke umuntu eshumayela nje esho ukuthi uShembe uyinkosi emakhosi kwashamana ngananga esitimeleni uthi lo mntwana lo until ngaze ngafikela usuku la ukuthi khona angihambe ngiye kaShembe because now this addiction sengizwile ukuthi nginenkinga and now I can see nginengculaza to prove it uthi umntana wahamba wayonikela kaShembe wayovakasha wanikela kaShembe uthi inkosi yayikhona ifikile endawo eTesi uthi yayifikile inkosi eTesi wafika lapho wanikela inkosini yasho ukuthi inkosi Mbusisi wamtshela ukuthi unenkinga kanje yathi inkosi Mbusisi uthi from that day after hambile wayosonta lapho kaShembe her struggles the addiction stopped uthi they like kwangathi khona itshe elalisusiwe kuyena emhlanje uthi it stopped completely ke lo mngani wethu ahambe kaShembe sekhumbula kusho ukuthi ke ipheleke lento yakhe istop uthe isistopile la ngene call kumfana how umfana uyafona because phela umfana uyena wablock ugele ka block umfana uthi nakhona nginanga like ngesikhathi nje after ebuye kaShembe because naye uthi took time to realize ukuthi hayi man akasayenzi lento uthi within mhlambe 2 weeks of ukuyeka nje ukwenza lezi zinto zokungcola kwangena icall kungena kumfana same boy uyamtshela umfana ukuthi yenene hayi sibanibani ngihlukene nonkosikazi wami manje ngibonile ukuthi yenene umuntu engimdingayo impilo nami wena sasithandane silokhu sibancane uthi ngavele ngadinwa ngeza ukuthi ngiyafuthelana lo mfana ungenza isilimo uthi ngamtshela ngathi mthakathi ndini isikhotheni njandini wena usebenzisa imithi ngalela langa ngawubona lo wamuthi wawubeke lapha phezulu kwelokhuzana kwecounter ngawubona and manje inkinga yami ngaba nezinkinga kusho ukuthi into zakhe azisahambi kahle there is why namhlanje usufonela mina usufuna futhi ngiphinde ngibe siqela awungifuna uzange uzungithanda ungithandi futhi uthi adrop phone uthi umfana abe persistent uthi adrop ifoni. Uthi from then on wakhululeka. Uthi azange azaye ukogeza wathandazelwa izayoni, kwasuka emva kwalokho nomunye ubaba phela ngensuku ngakwayo wayibona ubaba wesistemeni wakaShembe eshumayela ekhuluma ngezinto nje sokuthi uShembe uyaphilisa, wayihambela wayiyele esontweni kaShembe wafuka nikela kuShembe. Uthi emva kwalokho wasinda, waphila saka. So zama ukuonishana inake bomathanda izinto. Umfana uyakwazi ukulala nawe, namantombazane ayakwazi ukulala nomfana ethwele. Wena uzithola ubambekile impilo yakhe ingasamuvi kanti uthwele umfana. Uthola impilo yakhe ingasenyakaze kanti ithwele intombazane owalala nayo, so isebenzisa wena iziqhela socansi. Ilesini ke yalezi story sanamhlanje. Ma ungafuni ukungilalela mina Bongo Indlovukazi, sala kutshelwa sibona ngani ngomobo. Ubongiwe Indlovukazi ngiza nendaba nozanani nendlebe. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukubuka ama-ads. Bangani bami, yangifanele le ngubo le. Ngiyibona ngathi iyangifanele. Ngintshela ukuthi ngiyithole ngayibona igqoko Dominic ngathi ngiyayifuna le, ngahamba ngoyithenga. Ngayithenga nako nami senginayo manje. Iyahlala nala emahlombe uthi nje manje vele iveze inkudlungu cleavage, but iyona le. Iyona ngayithenga. Bye.